In this video, I'll guide you through how to enable POP in Gmail. If you've ever wanted to download your emails into a program like Outlook, Apple Mail, Thunderbird, or another mail app, turning on POP in Gmail is an important step. POP, which stands for Post Office Protocol, lets an email program copy your messages from Gmail so you can read them even when you're offline or manage them in a different interface. We're going to keep this really simple and walk through the process from start to finish using the standard Gmail web interface. By the end, you'll have POP enabled and ready for use in your email client. First, open Gmail. On a computer, go to your web browser and sign into your Gmail account. This is best done on a desktop or laptop because some of the settings we need are harder to find or not fully available on mobile apps. Once you're logged in, make sure you're looking at your main inbox view where you can see your messages. Next, click Settings. In the top right corner of the Gmail window, you'll see a small gear or cog icon. Click that gear to open the Quick Settings panel. This panel shows a few common options, but for what we're doing, we need the full settings page. In that Quick Settings area, look for a link that says something like See All Settings and click it. That will open the full configuration screen for your Gmail account. Now that you're in the main settings area, you'll see several tabs along the top, such as General, Labels, Inbox, and so on. Go to the tab labeled Forwarding and POP IMAP. Click that tab and you'll be taken to a page that controls how Gmail handles things like forwarding your email and whether it allows connections using POP or IMAP. On this page, look for the POP download section. This is where you enable POP. You'll see options related to when to allow POP access. For example, enabling POP for all mail or just for mail that arrives from now on. Choose the option that best fits how you plan to use your email client. If you want your program to have access to everything in your account, you typically choose to enable POP for all mail. If you only care about new messages, you can choose to enable it only for mail that arrives from this point forward. You may also see choices about what Gmail should do with messages after they're accessed with POP, such as keeping a copy in the inbox, archiving, or marking them as read. Take a moment to pick the behavior that matches how you prefer to manage your mail. Once you've enabled POP and adjusted any related options, scroll to the bottom of the page and make sure you save your changes. Look for the Save Changes button and click it. This step is essential. If you close the tab or navigate away without saving, your POP settings won't be applied and your email program won't be able to connect properly. After saving, POP is now active on your Gmail account. You can move on to your email client and enter your Gmail details there using the POP settings recommended by your mail app or by Google's support documentation. That's all there is to it. Open Gmail, go into settings, head to forwarding and POP IMAP, enable POP, and save your changes.